Are you looking for the best sandblaster models in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sandblaster models that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Nico 30068A Abrasive Handheld Air Sandblaster Gun, top pick. With the Nico 30068A Abrasive Air Sandblaster Handheld Gun, it's not a big deal to get rid of paint, chips, corrosion, stains, and other particles. The tool is fully compatible with various types of abrasive products. The device is suitable for both beginners and professionals, as it has a simple design and is exceptionally lightweight. The machine is compatible with a variety of abrasive materials. You are welcome to use carbide baking soda, sand, aluminum oxide balls, glass, and other materials. You only have to select the necessary abrasive for the material, which you are going to process. At number 4, Campbell Hausfeld at 122,600 First Avenue Sandblaster, runner-up. Campbell Hausfeld at 122,600 First Avenue Sandblaster is a practical piece that is great for everyday use. The tool is small and light enough to be incredibly useful to operate. It's so easy to control it. This home sandblaster is made of durable material. The delivery kit also includes a ceramic tip, which increases the performance of the tool. The tool handles pressure well and is durable. The cleaning speed depends on the force of the sand impact, which, in turn, directly depends on the air pressure. The lower the pressure, the less the impact of sand and, naturally, the slower the paint or rust will be cleaned. At number 3, Shopfox M1114 Benchtop Sandblaster, premium pick. The Shopfox M1114 is ideal for those looking for a sandblaster that can be placed on a table or bench. It is the perfect tool for small to medium-sized tasks. It is a handy tool that fits perfectly in hand. Connect it to an air compressor and add various abrasives. You can easily remove rust, corrosion, paint, chips, and other imperfections. For such a small object, the model has a reasonably high speed. There is also a stable block here that handles different pressure levels well. But it is best to use a value between 60 and 100 psi. At number 2, Performance Tool M549 Portable Abrasive Blaster Kit, great sandblaster for home use. The Performance Tool M549 Portable Abrasive Blaster Kit is a simple and practical item. He will do a great job of everyday tasks. The tool is compact enough to hold it in hand and is lightweight. At the same time, he is durable and has good coverage. The kit is ready to use, which means you don't need any additional parts. The manufacturer also provides instructions. It is a durable and versatile device that can cope with abrasion, pressure, and environmental factors without any problems. It is also compatible with various types of explosive devices. At number 1, Lematec Portable Sandblaster Gun Kit, Soda Blaster, among top-rated sandblaster guns. This device allows you to remove various types of dirt. The list includes paint, multiple stains, traces of rust and corrosion. The device is based on durable abrasive media and provides high-quality performance as if you were using professional tools. This sandblaster is practical and comfortable enough to use, even for those who have picked up such a tool for the first time. Due to its lightness and basic design, this tool is very user-friendly. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.